Hello, so today we're going to explain how to take the battery out if you want to charge the battery away from the bike. So first we need to take off the cover. At the top you'll see a catch that slides up to release the top half, and then we pull it up and off the receiving peg at the bottom. To remove the battery, turn the key and you'll see the battery pop slightly out. There's a catch on the top that you need to push down, and then you can take the battery completely out and up, so you take it off the locating peg at the bottom. Of the battery, see a little button, you press that, it will show you the amount of charge in the battery. And also if you look carefully, you'll see a groove, and that has to locate into the correct place when we put the battery back into the bike. To replace the battery, be careful that you put the groove onto the peg at the bottom, nice and square, central, and then rest the top in, turn the key, push the battery all the way in, and then let the key get flicked back. Make sure it's tight. At the bottom of the cover on the inside, you'll see a little piece of plastic that sticks out, so that has to locate onto the groove in the frame. And then with the top clasp open to go over the stud, then push it down to lock it into place, and off you go. So on the Centros crossbar, it's the same procedure to take the battery out, but it's now underneath at the bottom. So as normal, we take off the cover, catch up and off. When we turn the key, we have to make sure our hand is underneath to support the battery as it clicks out. It's just the same procedure. Just be careful, you don't want to drop your battery and damage it. So to put the battery back into a Centros crossbar, it's the same procedure. Turn the key, get the battery close, click it in, make sure it's tight, and then pop the cover back on. The Motus has a slightly different cover to the Centros, but very similar. The plastic groove under here actually straddles the frame in the centre. So straddle the frame and then a slight push down, and then down with the catch and up, and you're nice and secure.